everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Glory. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be all about this mini twist on my hair. If you're someone who has been thinking of getting mini twist or micro twist, this is the sign. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing all the details about the extensions I used on this hair, how long it was for me to make this hair, just share my pros and cons about the hair. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys different ways you can style this hair, because did I do braids or twist without showing you guys hairstyles? No, it doesn't even feel like I have extensions on my hair. It feels like my hair, like imagine my hair grew to 20 inches or 18 inches. How many inches is this? Imagine my hair grew to like 18 inches overnight. Yeah, that's what it feels like. We know that's not the reality. Let's head straight into details about this hair. So this hair is from HOT Braids. It's the tight afro kinky bulk human hair, dreadlock and twist. And when you take out the hair from the bag, you can see it comes like in a bulky human hairstyle. It says it's human hair and it does feel silky and softer than the normal kinky hair you would use. The length of this hair is 22 inches and I also requested for color 1B because my hair seems to be darker than the natural color. I received 5 packs or 5 pieces of hair. That should be enough for your whole head. For this hair, I used 4.5 packs. This package came with a black Oxford bag. It also comes with this gift comb box. It came with a brush, rat tail comb, edges brush, as well as clips. So that's something you need while making the hair. That's it for details about the hair. And I'm going to put you guys through how I achieved this look. So when it comes to making my hair, I actually went to my hairstylist because I really did not want to sit down for hours trying to create this mini twist look. However, I decided I'm going to actually try to challenge myself the next time I want to do mini twist and do it myself with extensions. I've done mini twist on my hair before, but I've never used extensions while doing it by myself. I was just not confident with how I was going to cut the lines, so I decided to go to a hairstylist. So I started off with my hair stretched. I washed my hair and put it in braids, big braids. I took the braids down and put it in another braid. That's how I was able to stretch my hair. This is the hair. I started off with the back section, or she started off with the back section, and we just kept going in a uniform pattern. I really liked the fact that she was going in a uniform pattern and it was not, you know, irregular, because I'm someone who's very specific with my patterns sometimes. I think that's one of the reasons why I did not do it myself, because I was not confident with the pattern. One thing about this hairstyle is at the back section, she was braiding it with the normal braiding style where you start from the roots with the braiding hair, and I'm someone who really likes knotless styles. I've not done like the normal braiding pattern in a long time, but you can choose to do it this way or you can choose to do it the knotless way. When I realized that that's what she was doing, I told her, oh, I really like the knotless way, maybe we could do it in front, and that was what we ended up doing, which I really do appreciate that she was willing and able to do the knotless style in front. So she started off braiding the hair maybe about 4 or 5 times. She would then switch into the twist. I think braiding the hair on the roots also helps the hair stay longer, because you know with twist it can unravel, it can get loose. I don't think it get loose with extensions, but with our natural hair. So I think just starting off with braids and then going in with twist is also something that can help this style last a lot longer. And with the front part, she was very careful and very, you know, light on her hand, because that's my edges. I'm not about to lose my edges because I got twists. So she was very light on her hands, and I also had to hold it a bit just so when she's twisting it, it's not just twisting and pulling on my edges. Another way you can make this style is to use the crochet method. I have 2 styles on my hair. First one is the normal braiding pattern, which is you start with extensions from the roots. The second one is to do the knotless style, and the third method you can do this style with is to use the crochet method. I think if I was attempting to do this myself, I would also attempt the crochet method. So this is the hair at the end of the video. It's currently at the end and I'm just looking at it to make sure I like the parting and everything else. You guys can see the curls at the end of this hair. I was not really used to that and I did not really fancy it, so we decided to go in using the hot water method. You know, when you get braids and they use the hot water, when I tell you it stretched out these curls to how I wanted it to be, like it just stretched it out and just gave it a whole different look. If you still want that type of curls, you can choose to not use hot water. You can just choose to use water and leave-in conditioner like normal room temperature. but the hot water stretched out the curls and I really like that. That was the whole process of making the twist, and now I'm going to share my pros and cons about this hair. I'll start with the pros. It's lightweight. Like I mentioned at the beginning, it feels really light on your hair. It doesn't feel like you have extensions on your hair, so that's one thing I love about this hair. It looks very much like my natural hair, and I can literally go out and people will think it's my natural hair. And I also love the curls at the end. That's another pro about the hair. It can stretch out if you don't like the really curly look. It comes in different colors, so if you want brown, if you want natural color, if you want 1B, they have it on their website, so you can definitely get yours from them as well, which is nice. It's reusable, you can use it again, so that's something that's really nice. So now to the cons. I think the only con I had with this hair was you don't really understand how it works at first. You have to take your time with the hair bundles and understand how it works, because if you don't get to understand how it works, you may actually lose a lot of like the extensions hair because you're trying to understand it. So one way we actually realized you could use it is when you take it out of the bundle, you separate it, you stretch it out, and then you take out the hair, or you pick out the hair from there. So that was how we were able to, you know, sort it out and stuff. But if you are someone who is not patient, you might become impatient with the hair, but you just have to take your time and enjoy the process. I think that's the only con I have about the hair. Regardless of that, it's perfectly okay. Every details about the hair, the links and the information on it will be in the description box, so definitely check it out. I'm going to show you guys quickly some easy styles on how you can style mini twist, because I mean,
imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant, you have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to.
These are some of the styles I was able to create with this mini twist. That's it for the video. I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts. Would you purchase this hair? And also, I would like to know, what's your thoughts on mini twist? I think it's a very simple, nice hairstyle to have, especially if you want to have a long-term style and protect your hair. So yeah, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.